everyone, this is Meg from 12inkypawprints.blogspot.com, and I'm here today with a very special post for me. This is my first post as a design team member for the brand new Club La La Land Crafts. So that's different from our other La La Land Crafts design team, which I am also a part of. This team is specifically geared towards sharing with you guys awesome projects, product ideas about the wonderful club kit. And I don't know if you have checked out the club kit on the La La Land Crafts website or not, but I have a link below the video here for the club kit itself, so you can check out information about it. And let me introduce you to the club kit. So the club kit is a monthly subscription. Each month you will receive 2 stamp sets and a number of dies that are exclusive to club members only for 6 to 12 months. So that's pretty exclusive. The value for the club kit is about $70, and the price for the club kit is $39.99. So if you do the math, it's over a 40% off savings. So let me share with you a little bit about this month's club kit, and then I'll get into some more details about club kits in general. So each month you'll receive your club kit in a really super cute, shiny envelope. And inside you'll find your club kit and a product information card. So here's the April 18 Club La La Land Crafts Club Kit. Isn't it super, super cute? I love this one. I say this every month that it's my favorite club kit, but oops, how am I straight here? Okay, but every month the club kit is my favorite. So in this month's club kit, you get Tropical Marcy. So there's Marcy enjoying her little coconut drink. There's a separate hibiscus stamp, a large hibiscus stamp, and a sentiment that says, "May you always have a shell in your pocket and sand in your toes." You also get, as the second stamp set, aren't these hippos spectacularly cute? I love them so much. So you get 3 tropical hippos and 2 sentiments. You had me at Aloha and Another Day in Paradise. And then down below you see the dies that come in this kit. You get the hibiscus border die, the hibiscus dies, a large hibiscus and a small hibiscus, and their stamens cut separately. I'll show you that in a few moments. And the Hanu sea turtle die. And that will be on the left side of your club kit information card. On the right side, it will tell you all about the products that you're being given that month and the retail value. So the retail value for this month is $72.99. And like I said, the club kit sells for $39.99. Each month, that's for the full kit for the stamps plus the dies. You could, if you like, purchase this a stamp kit only. The price for that is $19.99. Or you could purchase a die kit only, and the price for that is $29.99. However, if funds allow, I really do recommend the whole kit. And I'm not just saying this because I'm on the design team for Club La La Land Crafts. If you know me, you know by now that I love my La La Land Crafts. And since I've heard about the club kit, I actually have been a subscriber myself. I'm the kind of person that looks for deals and steals everywhere. If I go to the store, to the dress shop, and I find some clothing that I really love, but a price I don't like, a lot of ladies or gentlemen will go ahead and just buy the things because they like it and they want it. I won't. I will even bargain with managers, even when bargaining isn't really allowed in the stores. I really love my deals and my steals. And the same thing goes when it comes to craft products. Even though I am a rubber stamping, die cutting, crafting junkie, and I will always be, I do like a deal. It makes me feel special as a customer, and it makes me feel like I'm getting the most value for my money. So with the La La Land kit, the full product kit, stamps and dies, at about $70 retail value for $39.99, that's over a 40% off savings. And to me, that is a big deal because if you really think about it, I mean, we can't even find clearance stamps and dies much of the time for 40% off, much less a club kit that's exclusive to club members for 6 to 12 months before it's released in store. To me, that's super special. And I think that you'll agree if you get these club kits that the products themselves inside are super special. So let's get into the product kit. Oh, before I go any further, I wanted to also mention shipping. Most people are concerned about shipping costs. Shipping costs for the club kit is $5 US, $10 Canada, $15 anywhere else in the world. And even with the shipping charges, that 40% off just can't be beat. So let me get into sharing with you what's in this club kit this month. So you get it in your little wrapper. Each month will come with your club kit card. Thank you for subscribing to Club La La Land Crafts. What I usually do is I usually put my informational card with my thank you card, and I stick it right back in my envelope, just because I'm not really good at organizing, and I actually do keep all my club kits in the original packaging they came in. So actually, let me turn this over so you can see what I'm showing you. So I'm going to show you the hippos first. So here are our little hippos with the "You Had Me at Aloha" and "Another Day in Paradise." The back of the stamps do come with a packaging on it. It's off from mine because I've been using my stamps. But this is akin to the other stamps that you'll find in the La La Land Crafts store. So it's that deeply etched red rubber that we use for our Marcy's and Luca's. Very, very nice quality. It stamps well. The first time you lay it down, it stamps well. So that's it for these hippos. You can do so much with these hippos. Wait till you see some of the incredible projects the design team has for you this month using these adorable little hippos. Now let me show you Marcy. This is a bit of a smaller Marcy than you might be used to. It's not one of the super large, well, Marcy's aren't really super large size, but you know, if you have received the club kit before, sometimes you get a full-size Marcy and a mini Marcy. This Marcy, to me, is kind of in between the full size and the mini Marcy, and I love her. She was an absolute joy to color up. So here's the Marcy, and here is the large hibiscus stamp. And again, the sentiment says, "May you always have a shell in your pocket and sand in your toes." And they are mounted, just so you know. Some companies sell just the red rubber without the foam backing. These are really wonderful, high-quality products. So those are the stamps that come in this month's kit. And each month you will receive 2 stamp sets. Okay, the dies. Here's the hibiscus border die. I love our border dies. It's about 5 inches long, maybe 1.25 inches wide. Here's the Hanu, the sea turtle stamp, the sea turtle die. See, I've really got stamps on my mind. What I really love about this sea turtle die is, I mean, not only is it a gorgeous little sea turtle and the pattern on it is just so intricate and detailed, but you know, as the Hanu, this creature, it's one of, I think it is the only native one. I can't quite remember. Maybe one of the only native marine life to Hawaii, but it is a symbol of good fortune, of wisdom, and so it's quite versatile in your projects to use it for that. And here are the hibiscus flowers. You can see we have a large hibiscus and a small hibiscus, and like I said, you can cut those stamens separately, so they're really nice if you want to add multiple colors, like if you want your stamen to be a separate color from the petals, or if you want to create a bit of dimension by popping the stamen up on top of the hibiscus petals with some foam tape or something like that. Okay, and I actually wanted to give you a kind of a comparison. Do you see that? So you have 1 hibiscus stamp, 2 dies, and 3 different sizes. It works out really nicely. So I wanted to share with you also today a couple of projects that I've created with this club kit. I've tried to minimize the dies I've